from different places tikapiwa nyasha dzokufamba mukati menzi tikaita nguva yakanaka naipana asina kuita nguva yakanaka ende mukaona it was such a huge turnout saka hatigoni kungosunga tisina kudi kusangana sezvino tichi kana tikaita mutambo wedu watinoturoramba uchinda mberi.
Hello guys, that's me making fire. Yes, that's me making fire on my way home. And then at the breakdown, this is the smoke comb over there, right? And my way going home, right? They're making fire. Making fire over here. It's a breakdown, you guys. So this is what is happening right here, right now. Bonfire. Bonfire for the people. That is Kolisele. I made bonfire for myself. For I. Hey, bonfire! Bonfire! Ndikatoita hati breki kai kuti mota yafa. Baba. Ndotoita hati breki kai paya. Because mota yafa. What heart attack? You guys saw? I don't have a cameraman, so I'm recording myself. So that's me. That's me. Bonfire for the people. So, looking for firewood. And then I made my own bonfire going to the village, right? Going home. So, everyone is in the car. Everyone is in the car. And I'm outside here looking for fire, making bonfire. You guys, get me much. Yeah. Bonfire for the people. This is the car. So the the other car is coming, right? The other car is coming, but I think maybe it's gonna take maybe 2 hours. Less than 2 hours, maybe 1 hour or so. So we're just waiting, and I'm now going to look for fire because I have to make my firewood. Right. I'm gonna make another fire. Another fire. Just finding something to do, not just to sit. What? Mina ngaba le stress ngilani kambe sure. Sengikujwayele lokho. Kambe semvelo ikhombi kangaki. So the bus conductor is saying I'm one person who is stress free. So I'm like, no, I'm used to that. Like for so many days having a breakdown. Like I'm now used to that. So anyway, I'm just looking for firewood and then making my fire. Maybe I'll get tired very soon, I don't know. So I just look for firewood and then make my little fire. It's just a small one. A small firewood. And everyone is sitting in that car and they're just looking. They're like, this lady, what's wrong with this one? As for me, you can't think let's make our little fire, you guys. You and me. So yeah. So yeah. Yes. When I'm tired, I'll just sleep. That's all. I'll just sleep. So now, I'm gonna look for firewood and then put here. Look for firewood over there, put over here. Then I put just a little bit. So yeah, you guys, I'll talk to you when I'm home, right? I'll talk to you at home. Mari mutozavambika kakona peganyeni kambishu teganga leli kulo muzi lapha nedhuze lezizwe izinja kulo muzi eduze. Yo, you guys, I had to show you this semboni hlaga. That's when I hlaga. What do you call this in your language? You guys, when last did you eat this? I'm gonna enjoy myself. So when last did you eat this? So what do you call this, guys? If you know this in your language, let me know. Let me know in comment section. And what causes this one? It started from here, as you can see, going down there. So this is it. Can you see that? Ooh. Look at that. So if you know this, let me know in comment section from this tree.
Release clash yako.
Iyo nofaka unomukira pachigomba, unodzikira muchigomba straight.
Ndikatadza pano pakati.
Abereke. Hadi shabara. Chizama.
Sudai.
Ndikana chokugomba yemo straight. Ndikana chokugomba yemo.
Ofakeni phezu phambili le asazi ngakabani.
Afana mama.
Ngubay. Getting home now. Ngubay. 11 minutes past 3, guys. AM. Yeah. So we had to change the car that we had, which had broken down, and then we got into this one. So guys, now we are at our body. Bani. So past 3 much. So guys, good one. Sedorobheni hambani, thina sesiright. Isaka lamaputi Going back to Gweru, and this is like past 3. Yeah. Okay. Pakaipa. Paipile. Kalo vanhu kwamachepo. Mabhasikoro mayana mangani? Katimbona asha? Okoi. Koncho. Aiwa ndaumira. Chiri kudzika patiri. Torai mabhasikoro. Torai mabhasikoro tione. Malaitsi ari kufamba maidhevi icho. Chiri kukwidza. Chiri kutatarika. Uyati mabhasikoro tonoti zvedu tosungira sei. Alright. Bati phone yangu zvakanaka mfana wangu. You guys, it's now 4:15. Tadzika nguva ipa 11:03. Saka wana wayapera. So guys, we're not going home. If you can listen carefully, you can hear the dogs barking. That's home. Maybe about 10 minutes to go. And we are still struggling with this thing, so we have to keep on tying and all that. So this is the flower. Look at that. It's not flower. This is flower. So let's go. Woo. Yes, struggle. And this guy is hurting me, guys. Hurting me very much. Woo. I can't see anything. Let's go in front now. And if you go where there is too much sand, you guys, you can't even walk. You can't even move this bicycle. More than 1 hour walking. More than 1 hour walking. How about Pambi? Come on, Pambi. We are late on one. Come on, what? No way. What's I'm almost full. Which one is this in Playland, mother? Come this side. Hey, look. This thing has been hurting me on my leg. This one. It's very sharp. Anyway. Let's go. And there's Mamoyo. It's not towards like sunrise, you guys, and we're still walking. I'm not even feeling sleep. I'm supposed to be sleeping right now. But anyway, and this one is this one I got this one in Gweru. This is apple. Yeah. So we're going to plant and see what will happen. madembe ndo madembe. Ndo madembe amode wa. Madembe. Now you're supposed to put a belt. Now you're left with a short. Anyway, you guys, we're still going. We're almost home anyway. About 7 minutes to go. If you can hear the what you know, the chico jongwene chirongo. We're almost there. Whew. And you know now. Chadone zadumsan. Oh yes. There we have seeds for sugarcane. Sugarcane in the blanket. Then here we have another blanket as well. Because they're coming from get together. Gathering. Family gathering. There's Dumsan over there. And we're almost home, like 5 minutes to go. We are home. Going open. We want to come here. I'm being hard. You guys, I am very tired. I am very tired, mommy. It's now in the morning. Yes, so guys, just arriving now. And I am so tired. Whew. That is a kank.
Hey. Welcome.
Tavutika.
Mavutika shua.
It's now in the morning. It's now what? 5 o'clock. Is it 5? To 5.
8 a.m. Hey, you want night?
Hey. Is that you slept?
No, I was awake. How can I sleep when I'm not seeing you? Hello.
I'm still holding the bicycle. Yeah. So, yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah, mommy. Yes.
Every day.
Every day.
Hey.
Coming late.
Hey, anytime. Every time you come home, you always be coming this time.
Yeah. But also, you
better buy a car.
Eh?
You better buy a car.
Yeah, by God's grace, we will. Someday. Someday we will. Johnson, Tukulala. Tukulala, Sabo. I personally Alianzi. What time isn't I? That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. And you sold all the oxen. Now we don't have oxen. White face and the captain they were sold. Oh. So now we don't have oxen to tie the what? The scotch guard. So we have to teach the young ones. Mama, don't come up with a satchel. Remove the satchel first. Yeah. Dare mine. Hi. So ndachova bhasikoro up until I got really hot. I had to remove the jacket and it's very cold. But I had to remove the jacket. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Knock. Say hello, mommy.
Hello. Good morning.
Mommy, you are having breakfast.
I'm having breakfast.
Okay. It's come na moto ani tumsana ngwati mne moto mnomba. Eh? Moto iwe. Isa one. Hey, chicha. I'm not going. Okay, kinda guys, very cold outside.